what's your name?
Brody.
What's your opinion on all of these fire alarms?
A few moments later.
I don't even care.
Okay. Okay, I know you like your microphone, but like...
Give the woman her microphone. Release the microphone. Yeah, this shit okay.
What's your name?
Jackson.
Okay, what's your opinion on all of these?
I love them.
That's great.
He's taking it too.
I don't think he wants to give it back, guys. I think he likes it.
2,000 years later.
I don't think it works.
Yeah, it doesn't work. Okay, thank you for your time. Okay, who am I here with?
With Braylon.
Okay, what are your opinions on all of this?
Man, on my mama, man. I swear, man. There you go.
That's great. Okay. Okay, who am I here with?
Batman.
Okay. What's your opinion on all these like fire alarms and stuff?
I wish they would just shut up.
Okay. Hey, who am I here with? What's your name?
Me.
What's your opinion on all these fire alarms?
They're pretty awesome.
That's great.
And